Hey developers, welcome to a special episode where we explore the top trending open source GitHub projects this week. Part 1. These aren't just projects, they're game changers. From BAML's TypeSafe AI prompting and Talking Head's real-time 3D avatars to WhisperLiveKit's local speech-to-text and WrenAI's natural language data insights. We'll also cover innovative project management with Leantime and OpenProject, essential tools like Invoicely, and the future of TypeScript with better T-Stack. Get ready to supercharge your workflow.
Welcome back to Manu AGI Tutorials. Here, we explore the exciting world of AI, latest AI tools for you, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on the latest AI insights. So let's start today's video.
Project number 1, BAML, a type-safe prompting language that turns LLM prompts into reliable functions. BAML is unique because it transforms prompt engineering into structured, type-safe function design. Instead of scattering raw strings inside your codebase, you define clear prompt functions with input types, output schemas, and model choices, all in a human-readable domain-specific language. These prompt functions compile instantly into typed client calls in Python, TypeScript, Ruby, Java, Go, and more. BAML even works with models that don't support native function calling, thanks to its schema-aligned parsing SAP technique, which cleans up almost valid output into strictly typed results. That means your application always receives the exact structure it expects, no messy JSON failures or guesswork. What really sets BAML apart is developer experience. You get a playground right inside your editor, VS Code or NeoVim, that previews prompts, types, and API requests live. You don't need to run a full Python server or deploy code just to test a prompt tweak. It's fast, iterative, and infinitely more efficient than traditional prompt testing workflows. That speed translates into real productivity gains. Run hundreds of prompt variations in minutes instead of waiting for tests to cycle. BAML works with virtually any model: OpenAI, Anthropic, Gemini, Mistral, Vertex, Ollama, DeepSeek, you name it. It even enhances older or open models to match or outperform newer ones on structured tasks, often matching GPT-4 performance on function calling benchmarks, but at 2 to 4 barks lower cost and latency. In short, you get high accuracy without high expense. Because it's fully open source, compiled in Rust, and runs entirely locally, BAML keeps your workflows private, fast, and free of external dependencies. You write your prompts as types and functions, preview them inline, test them instantly, compile them to native client code, and ship reliable, maintainable AI pipelines. BAML stands out by giving developers SQL-like guarantees: typed, composable, versioned, debuggable, and reliable prompts as real code. If you want production-grade AI behavior without brittle strings and runtime surprises, BAML delivers. Project number 2, Talking Head, real-time lip-synced 3D avatars in the browser. Talking Head 3D is not about making animation hard, it's about bringing lifelike 3D avatars to life in real time, entirely in your browser. What makes this project truly stand out is its seamless blend of jaw-synced realism, dynamic motion, and flexible AI integration, all running smoothly without any heavy editing. The avatars deliver convincing lip sync on the fly, using speech input to accurately sync mouth movements with voice, even in multiple languages like English and Finnish. Beyond just syncing lips, Talking Head adds a touch of realism with dynamic bones and a built-in physics engine. That means the avatar's hair or accessories move naturally as the head shifts, no stilted robotic rigidity, but smooth physics-driven motion that adds subtle life to every gesture. And the flexibility is impressive. It supports Ready Player Me full-body avatars, so you can bring in personalized 3D characters or use library options that suit your style. Integration with AI tools is another strength. The system works with GPT 3.5 for conversational control and mixes in tools like OpenAI function calling and Google Text-to-Speech (TTS), generating both speech and corresponding mouth movements (visms) in real time. This makes it ideal for interactive demos. Think real-time avatar responses without loading screens or lag. Use cases bring it home. Whether it's avatars serving as contextual assistants in video calls, virtual educators, interactive portfolio guides, or even experimental NPCs in dynamic virtual worlds, Talking Head scales to creative scenarios effortlessly. In short, Talking Head 3D is unique because it brings genuinely expressive avatars to any modern browser with real-time lip sync, physics-based movement, and full AI interactivity, all without needing to render or export a video. It's a living, adaptable digital persona, ready for interactive applications now. Project number 3, MCP by Microsoft. a unified bridge connecting AI agents to real-world tools. This project stands out by providing a catalog of official MCP Model Context Protocol server implementations, each tailored to enable AI agents, like those powering Copilot, to access specific real-world services with secure, structured integration. Rather than reinventing the wheel for each data source, developers can now reuse these pre-built connectors, saving time and ensuring consistency across tools. What makes this collection unique is its breadth and trust factor. It spans a wide range of scenarios, from accessing learning content via the LearnDocs MCP, querying business databases through Dataverse MCP, to navigating DevBox setups and Kubernetes clusters. It even includes a Markdown server dedicated to reading and transforming Markdown content, as well as a Files MCP server for managing static files. These aren't just proofs of concept, they're ready-made components that plug into enterprise workflows seamlessly. The architecture behind it is powerful. MCP offers a standardized client-server protocol, where AI agents talk to specialized servers using lightweight transports like JSON RPC over HTTP or STDO. This allows developers to engineer multi-tool workflows where an AI assistant might process documentation, query analytics, and manage infrastructure, all using the same mechanism. Importantly, this approach supports real-time access to authoritative, up-to-date information. The LearnDocs MCP, for example, gives agents direct access to Microsoft's latest documentation, solving the common frustration of stale or incomplete AI-generated code. In short, what makes MCP exceptional is its modular, enterprise-grade toolkit, a centralized, trustworthy library of MCP servers that lets AI agents interact with systems from documentation to databases to dev environments, all through a unified, secure protocol. This enables smarter, more flexible AI workflows without reinventing the wheel for each integration. Project number 4, WhisperLiveKit. Real-time, fully local speech-to-text with speaker recognition. WhisperLiveKit brings real-time voice transcription and speaker recognition straight to your own browser, running entirely on your machine without sending data to external servers. What makes it so special is how it combines bleeding-edge research into one polished, accessible experience. It uses the latest simul streaming technique, state-of-the-art in 2025, for ultra-low latency transcription, paired with a line-app policy for lightning-fast responsiveness. Combine that with Whisper Streaming from 2023 for reliable streaming and advanced speaker diarization powered by Streaming Sortformer 2025 or DiArt 2021, and you have a system that not only converts speech to text live, but also knows who's speaking and when. What's clever about WhisperLiveKit is that it avoids the pitfalls of running Whisper on tiny audio chunks, which typically garbles speech and loses context. Instead, it uses intelligent buffering and incremental processing techniques, delivering clarity and accuracy in real time. The setup is user-friendly. A full backend and front-end come together to make a live transcription experience seamless. The lightweight web UI captures your mic audio, sends it through a fast API WebSocket server, and displays transcripts instantly, all in your browser. There's also voice activity detection to skip silence, support for multiple users at once, and automatic transcript splitting based on confidence and punctuation for natural readability. Ideal use cases include transcribing meetings on the fly, offering accessibility aids for hearing-impaired users, generating live subtitles for podcasts or videos, and even powering customer service tools that track who says what in real time. In essence, WhisperLiveKit stands out because it brings real-time, accurate, speaker-aware transcription right to your desktop without needing external services. It's powerful research made practical, and all it takes is your browser and a mic. Project number 5, WrenAI. Your natural language gateway to data insights. WrenAI stands out because it removes the complexity of querying databases, so anyone regardless of SQL skills can unlock meaningful insights simply by asking. You chat naturally in your own words, and WrenAI instantly turns your question into precise SQL, generates charts, and delivers AI-powered summaries, all in seconds. No more wrestling with dashboards or waiting for analysts. Where it truly shines is its smart understanding of context. Behind the scenes, WrenAI uses a unique semantic layer, its modeling definition language, MDL, which captures your data's schema, relationships, metrics, and business definitions, like churn rate or net revenue. This makes every AI-generated query accurate, reliable, and aligned with your business context. WrenAI also brings generative insights directly to you. Ask a question, and it doesn't just output data, it offers charts, reports, even summaries. All AI built, ready to share. Connecting your data is effortless too. Whether you store it in BigQuery, Postgres, Snowflake, MySQL, Redshift, DuckDB, Oracle, or many others, WrenAI works seamlessly with existing data stacks. What makes WrenAI especially powerful is its embed-ready design. With APIs that plug into your app or internal tools, you can ship conversational insights under your own brand, whether that's client dashboards or internal chat assistants. In short, WrenAI is unique because it democratizes data intelligence. It lets business, product, and customer success teams explore and act on insights on demand. No SQL needed, no learning curve to climb, just clear answers in human language. It's open source, context-aware, fast, and flexible, transforming how organizations interact with their own data. Project number 6, Invoicely, effortless, beautiful invoice creation, instantly in open source. Invoicely is a refreshingly simple yet powerful platform that lets you generate stunning professional invoices within minutes. No fuss, no steep learning curve. Its standout feature is beauty, paired with speed. Every invoice you create looks polished and visually appealing, making it more likely your clients pay promptly. And because it's open source, you own your data. There's no tracking, no hidden fees, and you can even run it on your own server if you prefer. Another remarkable advantage is its unlimited freedom. You can create and send as many invoices as you want without hitting artificial limits or sudden paywalls. This flexibility means freelancers and small businesses get full functionality without being forced into a subscription. Even better, it comes with branding tools, so your invoices can reflect your unique style, upload your logo, choose colors that align with your business, and enjoy dynamically generated statements and summaries. Invoicely also handles recurring workflows effortlessly. It lets you automate billing by creating recurring invoices and sending reminders so clients don't fall behind. Couple that with detailed financial tracking, expenses, time, mileage, dashboards, income and expense summaries, and you have a strong foundation for staying on top of your finances. What truly makes this tool unique is how it balances open source values with real-world business needs. Visually pleasing, endlessly usable, brandable, and loaded with automation, all while keeping your data secure and your control absolute. It's a fast, beautiful, and reliable way to handle invoicing that doesn't lock you in or clutter your process. Project number 7, Leantime, a project management tool designed for different brains. Leantime stands out because it isn't built for traditional project managers. It's built for people. Specifically, it's a project management system crafted with ADHD, dyslexia, and autism in mind, aiming to reduce cognitive overload and make managing work feel clearer and more motivating. It blends strategy, planning, and execution into one accessible experience that's as simple as Trello, but packed with features like those in Jira. What sets Leantime apart is its grounding in behavioral science. It aligns work with people's motivations, using dopamine-boosting elements, clear visual progress, and AI-driven task prioritization to keep focus aligned with purpose. It's not just about ticking boxes, it's about helping everyone see why they're doing the work and feel energized doing it. Leantime offers a personal dashboard where tasks from various projects appear in one place, coupled with time-blocking features, notes, AI prioritization, and customizable widgets. It also provides flexible views like Kanban, table, or list, and timeline tools featuring milestones and Gantt-like overviews to help break down big ideas into manageable steps. Another big advantage is ownership and control. Being open source and self-hostable, teams can keep their data private, customize it deeply, and even install it on their own servers or run it in cloud environments. It supports documentation, strategy boards, business model canvases, idea management, and more, all within a single tool. Leantime continues to evolve. The latest version, 3.5, brings dashboard polish, improved widgets, smoother calendar displays, better task handling, refined dark mode, and cross-browser enhancements. This reflects a thoughtful approach to quality, clarity, and usability. In short, Leantime is unique because it's purpose-built for neurodiverse minds and anyone who finds standard tools overwhelming. It's a gentle, science-backed, goal-focused workspace that brings clarity, ownership, and motivation back to project work without the noise. Project number 8, OpenProject, open source, secure, and agile-friendly project management that keeps code and planning in sync. OpenProject stands out as a robust open-source project management platform that blends the full project lifecycle, from classic Gantt-driven planning to agile boards, into one secure and transparent environment. What makes it genuinely unique is not only the depth of its features, but how it prioritizes data sovereignty and flexibility, giving teams complete control over where and how their data is stored and managed. You can self-host OpenProject on your own infrastructure or use its hosted enterprise cloud, both with strong GDPR-compliant security measures, two-factor authentication, and full transparency in operation. Being fully open source under GBLVUS 3, it invites you to dive into the code, adapt it, build custom plugins, and truly make the platform your own. Its feature set is impressively broad. Manage planning, Gantt charts, backlogs, Kanban/Scrum boards, task and issue tracking, time tracking, budgets, roadmaps, meeting management, wikis, and forums, all in one place. Plus, it offers customizable dashboards, workflows, and modules that you can turn on or off per project for unmatched flexibility. One standout advantage is how planning and development are seamlessly connected. The GitHub integration lets you link pull requests directly to OpenProject work packages, display PR status in the project interface, and even create branches straight from tasks, keeping planning and code tightly aligned. This means you can track PR progress like open or merged without leaving the platform, and every update appears in your activity timeline. Transparency goes beyond data control. Its active open source community, frequent updates, and plugin ecosystem ensure that it's always evolving with fresh ideas. Whether you're managing a portfolio of projects, balancing agile and waterfall methodologies, or protecting sensitive data, OpenProject offers a uniquely comprehensive and adaptable solution. In short, OpenProject delivers powerful project management, wrapped in open-source freedom and privacy-first design, with deep integration into development workflows, perfect for teams that want control, flexibility, and collaboration. Project number 9, Better T-Stack. Build fully type-safe TypeScript projects your way. Better T-Stack isn't just a generator, it's a smart companion that helps you launch end-to-end TypeScript projects quickly and cleanly, while still giving you full control. From the start, you choose only what you need, no unnecessary templates or bloat. Want React with TanStack Router and Prisma? Or maybe a backend API with Hano and Drizzle ORM? You pick, and it builds your stack around those choices. Another huge strength is its commitment to modern, well-maintained dependencies. It keeps your project fresh by using the latest stable versions by default. Long-term support? Gone are the days of outdated scaffolds. The tool grows with the ecosystem. Customization goes far beyond just initial setup. Whether you want Next.js, Svelte, Solid, or React Native on the front end, or Express, Fastify, Convex, or none at all on the back end, you can tailor your stack precisely. Same for database, ORM, authentication, runtime environment, and more. Choices include Bun, Node.js, Cloudflare Workers, SQLite, Postgres, MongoDB, TRPC or ORPC for APIs, Better Auth for security, and helpful add-ons like TurboRepo, Husky, PWA Setup, Tori, Biome, and much more. Everything is kept type-safe, organized within a clean monorepo layout, and completely open source with no lock-in. That flexibility means you can start with a tiny prototype and scale all the way up to production-ready apps without rewriting your setup. The vision? Starting from zero, you get a foundation that's minimal yet powerful, built with best practices baked in, but always under your control. So if you want a foundation that's fast, clean, up-to-date, and tailored exactly to your preferences, Better T-Stack brings that to the table, striking the perfect balance between automation and customization in one modern TypeScript scaffold. Project number 10, MCP Context Forge, a unified gateway for AI agents to seamlessly access tools and context. MCP Context Forge shines because it acts like a powerful hub, bringing together AI agents, tools, external services, and contextual data into one smooth, secure pipeline. At its heart lies the Model Context Protocol, MCP. Think of it as a universal connector, like a USB-C port that lets language models talk to tools, databases, and APIs without building custom integrations each time. What makes MCP Context Forge genuinely unique is how it transforms complexity into simplicity. It serves as a gateway, proxy, and registry rolled into one, federating multiple MCP-capable services and REST APIs into a single, unified endpoint for all your AI clients. This means your agents can discover tools, authenticate, manage traffic, monitor usage, and enforce rate limiting, all from one centralized place. The platform doesn't just stop at unifying access. It supports many transport methods, including HTTP, JSON RPC, WebSocket, server-sent events, even STDO and streamable HTTP. This makes it versatile enough to adapt to different deployment environments and client needs. On top of that, MCP Context Forge includes an admin UI that gives real-time visibility into your environment. Observe tool usage, tweak prompts, manage gateways, and track performance metrics. The metadata ecosystem is also robust, supporting tags, annotations, histories, and tracking tools, prompts, and resources across your setup. It supports federated setups with Redis-backed caching and scaling across Kubernetes clusters, ideal for growing systems. In essence, MCP Context Forge is unique because it offers a standardized, modular, and secure orchestration layer that bridges AI agents with diverse tools and contexts, while offering centralized visibility and control. If you're building multi-agent or tool-augmented AI systems and want to avoid building custom connectors and tracking chaos, this project is your central nervous system, making complex AI infrastructures feel manageable and elegant. And there you have it, a deep dive into some truly revolutionary open-source projects. We've seen how BAML makes AI reliable, Talking Head brings avatars to life, and MCP by Microsoft unifies AI agent access and more. I hope these insights help you elevate your development. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your favorite tool. See you next time.